Hi friends, this is Manish from Technical Manish. In the previous video, I have shown you how to identify a duplicate cube from a real cube. And in this video, I will be telling you how to solve a Rubik's Cube within 5 minutes. I am teaching you just the beginning. After you learn the basics, then you can become a fast cuber. Now, I will start shuffling the cube. Now I will solve the cube. I have completed the first layer and the second layer. Now it's time to solve the third layer. One side u has came and all sides it is unequal, so we should use the third formula now. Now all sides u shape came and one side full color solid, so we should use fourth formula. See guys, the cube is solved. Now I will be teaching you how to solve this cube. For the cube to solve, you need to remember some of the rotations, which is R in the sense right face, U in the sense up face, D in the sense down, and L in the sense L, and F in the sense front, and B in the sense back. But in solving the cube in my method, I will be just using R, U, F and back. So I will be teaching you what is R. R in the sense the right side to be moved up. This is called as R. And in the case of R prime, it is anti-clockwise of R, which is in the sense back. And U in the sense up. U and U star in the sense come back. And F in the sense front, F star or F prime in the sense back, and B in the sense back, B prime in the sense back again. So I have created a PDF of 10 pages. I have in detail explained all the rotations and the formulas and where to use those formulas. Coming to the solving of the cube, again let's jumble it. So guys, we have jumbled it. For solving the cube, first we should take a base color. Base color in the sense which is located in the middle. Many of the cubers will take white as a base, so let us also take white as a base. First we should make place. Here, here, here and here it should come as white. So we should find the blocks which have white in the middle. Here we have white in the middle, so this white should come here. For it to come here, we should rotate like this, and this orange should be connected and we should move it like this. So one place of the place has been connected. We should search for the other one. Here white and blue, connect with blue and rotate it to upward. And green and white, it should move upward. And last one is here, so with red color we should find red color. After we find the red color, we should move it up, it connects. While we are moving, the one of blue goes, so we should quickly change it to red and again redo the step. So now a place has been formed, and the place also should be connected with the other colors also. Now we should solve these corners. For corners, it have three colors. So one of the white corner has white, red and green. White, red and green. So this corner should come here. There are two steps to make it forward. One is if it comes here, make it down, right, up. And for the second one, blue, red and yellow, blue, red and white. Here for it is downwards, so make it down, left, left and up. This white cannot come here, so it will come here. Then make it down, left and up. And here also green, orange and white, green, orange, white. It is down, so make it down, left, left, up, right, down, left and up. And the last one is located here, so it comes here, so down, right, up. So the first layer has been solved successfully. Now coming to the second layer, we should by heart this step. The opposite of white is yellow, so we should see for the blocks which does not contain yellow. Here it contains yellow, so ignore it. Here orange and green, there is no yellow, so this orange should be connected to the orange color. Green is here, so we should move it towards the opposite side. That is, as the green is here, move it to the left side and remember this step: down, right, up, right, down, left and up. So we should find for the other color, green and red. So green is here and red is here, so we should move it opposite side and we should do this. And for the other colors, whenever we have all yellows in these places, just you need to follow the step of exchanging the cube, and again we can find a extra cube. So green and orange, it has orange as is in the left side, so we should move it to the right side and this step. If you don't understand this step, play this video in the 0.25 speed and note it down. Again we have all yellows, so we should change one of the white cube, and we got an extra one, blue, orange. So orange is here, so make it move this side and solve it. At first it would be difficult, by practicing it would be easy for you. And the last one, red and blue. So the second layer has been also completed successfully. You can rewind the video and watch many number of times so that you get completely understand. And coming to the third layer, in the PDF I have provided the formulas for this. Layer 1 and layer 2 don't have any perfect formulas, so for layer 3 there are perfect formulas. In the PDF which I will be providing you in the description and comments, you better print it so that you can learn it. First we can see this L shape, reversed L shape. Whenever we get this reverse L shape, we should use the formula F R U R prime U prime and F prime. I will demonstrate it now. F in the sense we should hold it. We should not change this in our direction, so we should keep a particular place and we should start doing from there. F in the sense front, R in the sense right, U in the sense up, R prime, U prime, F prime. We got a line again. If we get a line also, we should use the same formula 1. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. We got an alpha symbol. When we get alpha symbol, we should hold in such a way that the V shape should be opposite to us. Now it comes to the second formula. Second formula is R U R prime U R U U R prime. I will demonstrate the formula for you. R U R prime U R U U R prime. So again we have got the alpha symbol, so again we should use the same formula, R U R prime U R U U R prime. So once if we get this opposite color also completed, then we should see for the sides. Sides there are no type of U shape or any matching colors. So we should go to the third formula, which is R prime F R prime B B R F prime R prime B B R R. Don't worry, this will be in the PDF so that you can learn. So I will demonstrate you the formula. R prime F R prime B R F prime R prime B R and R. So we can see that a side of it has been solved. So once if a side completes, we should hold it backward here and we should start solving it. Again we should use the same formula until we get U shape here, here and all sides. Use the same formula. After doing the formula, a color has been solved, U shape, U shape, U shape. The color which has been solved, keep at the back side and use the fourth formula. Fourth formula is R U prime, R prime U prime, R U prime, R U prime R. So let's do it. R U prime, R prime U prime, R U prime, R U prime R. So again we have got the same thing. So use the fourth formula again until the cube gets solved. R U prime, R prime U prime, R U prime R U prime R. So the cube got solved. Don't worry friends, I will be providing you the PDF in where I have showed you what are the rotations, what are the formulas and in which cases we should use those formulas. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more cube videos and coding videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.